If you're tired of feeling confused every time you speak or write English, this video will help you feel more confident. In this video, we're going to fix 5 grammar mistakes that most beginners make. And once you learn them, your English will sound clearer, smoother, and more natural. Let's do this together. You and me. 1. I am agree versus I agree. Let's start with something very common. Some people say I am agree, but that's not correct. We don't say am agree because agree is already a verb. You don't need am with it. The correct way is I agree with you. Let me explain. I is the subject. Agree is the action. That's already a complete sentence. Example, you say chocolate is the best snack. I agree with you. You don't say I am agree. That's like putting two verbs side by side that don't belong together. Just say I agree. Simple and strong. 2. Much versus many. Now let's talk about much and many. They both mean a lot, but we don't use them the same way. Use many for things you can count. Use much for things you cannot count. Let's go slow with this one. We say, I have many books, because books can be counted. 1 book, 2 books, 3 books, so we use many. But we say, I don't have much time. You can't count time like 1 time, 2 time, so we use much. Here's a trick. If you can add a number in front of the word, use many. 3. She can to drive versus she can drive. This one is about modal verbs like can, should, or must. Some people say, she can to drive, but we don't need to here. The right sentence is, she can drive. Why? Because after the word can, the next verb must be in the base form. That means no to know, ing, and no, ed. Just the simple verb. Example, you can cook. I can swim. She can drive. Just remember, modal verb, then base verb. That's the rule. 4. I've seen her yesterday versus I saw her yesterday. This one is tricky for many learners. Here's the mistake. I've seen her yesterday. That's wrong. The correct sentence is, I saw her yesterday. Why? Because yesterday is a specific time in the past, and for that we use the past simple, not present perfect. When you say I've seen her, that's present perfect. We use that when the time is not specific. But yesterday is clear. It already tells us when. So we use past simple, I saw her. Example, I saw her yesterday at the store. Simple, right? Now it makes sense. 5. Me and my friend versus my friend and I. This one is about being polite and grammatically correct. You might hear people say, me and my friend went shopping. But actually, the better and more correct way is, my friend and I went shopping. When you and another person are the subject of the sentence, you say my friend and I. Let's break it down. I is used when it's the subject. Me is used when it's the object. Example, my friend and I played basketball. But if someone gave you something, then you say, he gave it to me and my friend. So just remember, if you're doing the action, say my friend and I. If someone is doing something to you, say me and my friend. Let's review quickly. 1. Say I agree, not I am agree, because agree is a verb already. 2. Use many for countable things, much for uncountable things. 3. After can, use the base verb, no to. 4. Use past simple, I saw, when you mention a specific time like yesterday. 5. Say my friend and I, when you're the subject doing something. Want to really remember this? Replay the video and take notes. Writing it down helps your brain remember it faster. If you're serious about improving your English in the easiest and most enjoyable way, this is the channel for you. I teach you like a real person, step by step, with real examples that actually make sense. So hit that like button if this video helped you. Share it with a friend who's also learning English. And leave me a comment. Tell me which mistake surprised you the most today. Don't forget to follow so you never miss a lesson that could change the way you speak English forever. You're doing amazing, and I'm proud of you. See you in the next one.